have to go to this. Okay, we're gonna have to go to... Hey guys, it's me, Tiggy. If you're wondering why I sound so tired, it is 12:10 at October 31st. The reason why I haven't posted this video until November or December is because I've been working on branches the whole month, and yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't post this video on time, and I'm sorry, that's all I wanted to say.
The last passenger on bus 73. It was past midnight when I boarded bus 73, the last ride of the night. The city was quiet, streets empty.
Oh, my head. It feels like I've been gone for 6 months. Welcome to part 2 of, are Gorilla Tag ghosts really that scary? Because when you think about it, you could just take off your headset. But I get what's so scary about metal. PBBV. It's just PBBV. More like PPPP. I know, I need somebody to go with me. Yep. Your boy is too scared. Are you a scaredy cat? Yes! I have a change of plans because I couldn't find any ghost at all. Like any in the server. Yeah, I'm sorry that you're mad. But instead, we are going to be looking at Big Scary because I wanted to make a follow-up on that. And yeah, that's right. I just clickbaited you. Kind of, I don't know. Maybe. Hi, this is Future Tiggy. More important news, I will be making our Gorilla Tag Ghost So Scary video. Just not right now, but it'll come out. It's time to get big and scary. If it's a Halloween update, you can call me. I'm scared. Hey, you might think, it's not as scary as it is in a video. You are okay, come in here in VR. Come face me, bro. Come face. Welcome to the end of the video. Hotel. I don't watch that stuff.
Hey, you want to see actually?
I can't. I stepped on Joe already twice.
For sure.
You know, I'm actually. I mean, I don't know if you're a big fan of YouTuber. I'm pretty big, guys. I'm just kidding.
Oh, how'd you get in here?
And I just JKL. JKL. Remember JKL. 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 JKL.
And it's good. I don't know what that is. It's me. Let's see. Let's go.
Oh, it's just you don't have. You can't collect them.
Gray ghost. I need a gray ghost.
We're gonna
Gray
die?
ghost.
I hope we aren't.
We have gray ghost. I need to get a gray ghost. Dude, gray ghost. I'm underneath.
Okay, come under.
I'm underneath.
I'm coming under.
Hey, yo! Whoa, hey!
Where is he?
Oh my gosh.
No, I need to.
Shaleski! This is the newest level. It's a Halloween haunted.
Gray ghost. Guys.
There's enough room on. This wasn't a horror. This isn't a horror video without getting horror-y. So.
What the f?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Shh. I'm a Sigma. brain rot words. We need to think of brain rot words right now.
You want a bottle, mate?
Pomino super
I
macatino.
don't know where I got these.
Best?
Pomino super macatino.
Yellow badge. Fuck.
Pomino super.
How about level 16?
No, it's
Okay, yeah, let's do level.
Ooh.
This one you're gonna pass. Okay.
Stuck in
Play
my
Gorilla
hand.
Tag. I can tell you play Gorilla Tag.
Yeah.
That is a good sign for this.
Right here.
It's over there. It's okay.
Dang it! Oh,
It's okay, you got enough time. It's okay.
okay.
It's okay. You've got enough. Red,
Right here.
come down here. Quick. Yeah, quick. Come in here. Quick. Okay, nice. You're doing really well in this.
You think I can outrun this train?
Else?
3 people on number 9.
gonna
Let's
be
go.
Pumpkin.
One of the
pumpkin.
harder ones that you're gonna
I
do.
want some candy to eat.
Help.
I will open the door for you.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Find some candy for me. Nom. Nom. Nom
What's that
nom.
round?
I think I can only have one more bucket of candy. Let's go look somewhere around the map. I have no clue where it is. Go find it yourself.
Be careful.
Okay.
What's the
We're
house
okay.
thing?
Okay. Right, you ready? Because
Yeah.
this is the scary part. Okay. This is the scariest part you're about to do. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you when we need to go. Because a certain time. Hey, language. Watch it. Okay. Right. Come on. Come on. Red. Let's go. Enter. 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 We're gonna do it quickly.
Run.
Nom nom nom. That was so very lovely candy. I'll open the door for you. Toodaloo for now.
Oh, yes.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, hey, we did it.
Watch
We
me.
did it. Where? Oh,
Careful.
Wee.
a banana. I'm so happy. I finally.
27.
6 Evan.
I've already beat this
Oh, why does it look like
I beat
that?
this level yesterday,
So
bro.
I'm just doing
I beat this level.
random maps. How about that? We're not doing. Oh, we're not doing any handed. I'm just kidding.
Okay. I'm scared, bro.
Hey, we're both scared together. Come on, let's go. Okay.
Bro,
Normal hotel. Come on. Normal hotel room. Okay.
I
Green.
have long arms. Wait, the green,
Anyway, green door is different, but
blue. Blue.
oh my gosh. Go, go,
Oh.
go.
What's that?
I think we have to hide in these holes just in case. This, what is this? Is that guy a job? Is he a job? Hey, come here, it's okay, bro. Dab me up. Yeah, hey, it's okay, okay? It's all a game, okay? It's all a game. Yeah? We're gonna make it out of here alive, okay? We got this. Oh, he's just a stinky poo-poo face. Okay,
Brother, yap, Sahurus. I'm here.
a job. I'm pretty scared of him.
Yap,
We're
Sahurus.
gonna see which one, and whatever one he comes out of, we go the opposite way. Okay?
Let's go to the left. Come on.
Go. It's running. Okay.
My favorite level is the. I'm not telling
You don't like this level?
Yeah. Hey, the jump hurt.
You're so scary. You're a poopy head. Oh gosh, I can't get that.
Like my favorite level is here. Hey, come here.
Huh?
Okay.
15? Oh, the clown one. I remember it. I remember the clown one.
It's my favorite level.
Come on.
Where I have the K.
I don't know how to find the clown.
This level is so fun.
Where did you go? The honking sound they make. It's cute, isn't it? He's coming. Come on, go.
It's coming? Run! Oh, I'm dead.
I gotta find it. Yes!
It's so funny.
I found...
Why is Cupcake in the roof?
No,
With what? Getting through this level?
Mhm.
Okay.
never played the first
Just follow me,
level.
guys.
You're punking. Let's go
Okay.
here, guys.
You ready, guys?
Yeah.
No, not that way.
See the buttons.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, ready, Freddy. Come on.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Also, there's a free hat on this level, so I'm sorry if we get murdered.
That's okay. What
This one
monster
is
it?
annoying because there's lots. Okay. We're just carving pumpkins on this one. Actually, I think it'd be easier for us to run, not in a car. And you can get back in. You see it then? Oh, you need to run, kid. You really need to run. Yeah, big pumpkin. So, and actually, you know the pumpkin we were just holding in the other night?
Yeah.
He grew up to be that.
I'm disowning him. Aww. Fish.
We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Most likely. We'll be just.
He's around.
Ever so slightly getting closer and closer. Oh look, there's a broken down car.
He's around, he's around maybe 6 or 7. Oh gosh. Hey guys, I'm running away from it. Is he gonna die? Oh my gosh! I'm...
Freddy, you okay?
Yeah, I survived. I ran
okay?
as fast as... Yeah! Yeah! Ran as fast as I can.
There's one more.
Just, okay. Driving in my car right after a beer. Oh,
Driving in my car.
oh gosh.
Driving in my car.
Okay. Driving in my car.
Driving in my car.
Right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. Do you
I've got enough skill that I can drive backwards.
run? Go, go,
Driving
go!
in my car right after a
Go, go, go,
beer.
go, go.
Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. Deer.
That was lag again.
Lag.
I'm scared.
Getting shot
Oh no,
noises.
they killed you, Jeremy! Oh my god! Every man for themselves! Every man for themselves! Go, go, go! Go! Oh! Oh gosh! Oh! I just killed a man with my own two hands! Take some of that, and this, and that, and this, and that, and that, and yeah, this place is war! And war, people die! Oh, that guy had a life! He had a life! Where's my MRI? MRE? MRU, and sometimes Y? Freedom! Who wants some? Who wants some? It's like Full Metal Jacket, except tinfoil jacket. Dang! That guy was just about to go in the water. Oh. Thank you so much for watching this video. That was war. But you know what isn't war? Damn it. Nope.
Do you like videos like these? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos where I play VR and get scared out of my pants. Anyway, see ya. Subscribe, please.